Once you have set the contract period, you can then add the equipment or sites to the quotation. Select Add Site Service if you only want to quote for servicing the specific site or sites. Select Add Equipment or Tool Service if you wish to quote for servicing any of your customers' items of equipment. You do have the flexibility to add both a site service and an equipment service to a quote should you ever need to do so. For our example, we'll create an equipment service quote and add some equipment items to it. Click Add Equipment or Tool Service, and at this point you can choose to select equipment from other sites if you need to. This is usually for when you are adding your own equipment onto an internal service contract. You can exclude any equipment that you've already covered on other previous service contracts, and you can also toggle on equipment and tools separately. When selecting equipment, you will first select the locations on site from the left. The sites are listed and any specified sub-locations on each site are listed below in a nested table. Selecting a site will add the sub-locations. Select the individual locations required or click Select All to view all available equipment for all of the sites. Next, select the radio buttons for all the individual items of equipment you want to add to the quote. Again, you can click Select All, and when you have added the equipment, press Select. If any equipment you have selected has a suggested default service sequence set on the model or type, this pop-up message will display. You can select the checkboxes to include the service sequences on the left or select all. If you leave any unselected, you can manually create your own service schedules for those items later on. Press Select to continue, and this will add any default sequences you have selected. Equipment default service sequences are covered in detail in another video.